time to kick off Summer with the Masters 2022. I am beyond thrilled that you are here to join us for this event. When I say us, I mean Katie at Diamonds and Washi and myself. Welcome to the official kickoff for Summer with the Masters 2022. I'm so excited that it worked out for this event to happen again this year. I cannot wait to see the incredible projects that all of you will work on for Summer with the Masters once again this year. You guys absolutely blew us away last year with your creativity, with the size of your canvases, with the detail, with the beauty. Oh my gosh, we got a little something for everyone. It was absolutely amazing, the work that you guys did. Now, if you guys are not sure what I'm talking about with Summer with the Masters, but you clicked on this video because it just looked interesting, Summer with the Masters 2022 starts today. This is an event focused on diamond paintings with artwork from before 1927. These pieces of art are in the public domain in the United States, and so they're free and available for absolutely anyone to diamond paint without any copyright issues. And not only that, but the artwork is absolutely beautiful. There's a huge array of styles, really a lot of choices, and I think a little something for everyone. Now, if you want to get involved, I hope you'll start today, but you can start anytime between today and July 31st. All you need to do is sign up on the Google form below. We'll ask you for your name and some other details on that form as well. So please make sure that you fill that out. That's how you're going to get in on the giveaways and all the goodies that are happening during the event. All you need is a canvas in your possession when you decide to start the event with that artwork from before 1927. It can come from any vendor. The artwork can be from an artist anywhere in the world as long as the date of the artwork qualifies. Katie and I are going to be doing some alternating weekly content, so keep your eye on both channels and you'll see those Summer with the Masters videos pop up once a week between the two of us. Of course, please also post your progress at hashtag Summer with the Masters 2022 over on Instagram so that we can see what you're working on, because you guys, that is the fun of the event, seeing the creative pieces of art that everyone has chosen to participate with. On the screen right now, you're going to see a list of our incredible sponsors for this event. You guys, it is impossible to host giveaways for large events without really generous sponsors. And so please see the links in the description below. Go support these amazing businesses because they really do make events like this possible. A lot of them have some special products. All that info will be down in the description so you can find it there. Let them know that we sent you, and please treat them kindly and give them a really big thank you for making our giveaways possible for this event. Many of them also are donating shipping for our prizes, which for creators is a huge expense. So we just really cannot thank them enough, and I hope that you will give them a round of applause as well. I've said it before and I'll say it again. This is my favorite event of the year. I'm so glad that it's happening once again. If you are joining Summer with the Masters 2022, will you please leave a comment down in the comments below? I would love to know what you are working on, what you're planning to enter for Summer with the Masters. And of course, I'm going to head on over and check your starting images over on hashtag Summer with the Masters 2022 on Instagram. I absolutely can't wait to see. I've already seen some things popping up over there over the last month, and it is just thrilling to see your creativity really shine through. Like I said, keep your eye here and on Diamonds and Washi for a weekly video coming soon. I hope you guys have a wonderful first day of Summer with the Masters 2022, a great first week. I can't wait to see your progress. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.